making feta dressing! I'm Sarah Beth.
I'm Hallie. Let's get turned. Yeah, let's get real turn up in here.
We're making a Greek.
Talk to the camera.
Sorry. Where's my head?
It's so tilted, I can't even stand it. I forget the name of it now. Hold on. Hot.
Hot what?
I can say that because it's the name of the song, right?
So first, we're gonna use store-bought crinkle fries. We chose Nathan's
Freshly homemade from scratch.
They're
crinkle
crinkle
fries.
I don't need to use any of that.
Look at that goodness.
Should we do the whole bag?
Yes.
So you have to preheat the oven to 425, which we already did. Do them for 25 minutes.
Disclaimer, we own no rights to any of this music on Spotify.
420.
Okay, what is needed for the feta dip is needed white wine vinegar, olive oil, oregano, and garlic powder. This is
Dry.
This is mayonnaise. And where's our cheese?
I
love this song.
You say that about every single time.
Well, clearly I made the playlist, so I like it. Half of a tablespoon is a teaspoon.
No.
Half of a tablespoon is one whole teaspoon, right?
It's worth a Google. Let us know in the comments.
All negative of you. Combine all ingredients in the food processor. Fit it with a metal blade. Oh, how easy! All you need is a food processor, and we don't have one. We have a blender.
Just getting up here.
Half a cup of crumbled. I can't get it open.
It's because you have to cut it.
Feta cheese, check. Mayonnaise, check. Garlic powder, check. Wine vinegar, check. Dried oregano, check. This shit stinks. Soy sauce, check.
You don't
Olive
like
oil,
feta?
check.
Don't mess it up.
So now we need half a cup of mayonnaise. This is where all of the calories come from. Jinx.
Let's go gold.
Ooh. Bougie. That's
What are the odds I lick it?
what are the odds?
1 in 5.
1, 2, 3, 4.
What are the odds you do it?
1 in 10.
You're such a baby. Do 1 in 5.
1 in 5. 1, 2, 3, 1. Nicely done. We need 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic. Which honestly, I love garlic and garlic powder, so you can never do too much garlic powder. 1/8 of a cup of wine vinegar.
You didn't even get the 8.
I don't think there is 1/8 of a cup. Slowly.
The fun stopper's on.
Everybody say yeah.
Use that to a 4th. I mean, an 8.
That's fine, I guess.
Dried oregano. And vinegar together, honestly.
I was literally, you couldn't see, but I was like shaking my hand as you were like evening it.
1 tablespoon, right?
1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Oh God, where the f up? Now we need half of a tablespoon of olive oil.
That was really good.
That actually looks really pretty.
All the seasonings, one the heart could ever desire.
Blend it up.
Probably should find a lid for it first.
Yeah, let's not make that mistake.
How do you
Wait.
5 seconds. Wait. Oh!
I'm ready if you're ready. That was not too fast.
I was nervous.
Dude, no.
There's this restaurant in Athens called The Grill, and they make it with their french fries.
Athens where? Athens, Greece?
Georgia.
Oh, Georgia.
And it's pretty good.
Should we add more seasoning?
Like
more oregano?
Oregano. Taste it now.
Is it better? The vice president or president of our student body got up on stage at a talent show our sorority did and told some really offensive jokes, and now he's getting impeached. I wonder if there's somewhere in some kind of agreement where it lists how you can or cannot get impeached, and I wonder if he'd fight it. I would. I'd go old lawyer on them again. Let's put this in a nice little ramekin. Yeah, good word.
Considering the feta dip takes 6 minutes to do, 1 preparation, never mind. Blur. Get that out of here. And we can watch a movie on Netflix that said it was really scary.
You know how I use scary movies.
Bless the girl he dates because
Seriously.
he's a mess.
We have to edit this too.
I have to edit this.
Do you have a nice little plate to display these on?
Daniel. Then, wait, let me cheers it. Don't.
Hurry, because this is burning fingers.
Cheers.
That's damn good. When should we stop
Should we eat it all?
the filming?
Oh. Tune in next week when we're in Jamaica
Subscribe.
and give us a thumbs up.